Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add BNB to Metamask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the interface of Metamask, and when you have accessed the interface of Metamask, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be a drop down menu with your network name in it. So you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear, and in the bottom of the pop-up box there will be add network button. So you just have to click on add network button, and add network section will be appear right in front of you, and under the add network section there will be various networks that you can add. So in order to add BNB, you just have to search for the BNB, and there is BNB chain on the second option. So you just have to look on the right hand side of the BNB chain text, and there will be add button. So you just have to click on that add button and pop-up box will appear. Now again you have to click on that approve button, and when you have clicked on that approve button, in order to switch, you just have to click on that switch to BNB chain, and you will be able to switch to BNB in Metamask. So this is how to add BNB to Metamask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.